Hi, quick video about making nice looking cases for electronic projects. For various reasons I had to make up some RS485 interface boxes for a project which they needed to look professional, but we were only making 4 of them. The problem with getting stuff looking really nice is the front panel getting nicely cut holes and printing. Now there's companies that do it, but they'll charge you quite a lot of setup cost, and you have to be into the hundreds to make it really worthwhile. I was looking at using something like this. This is an aluminium extruded case it's got PCB slots in it. There's quite a few different shapes and sizes of these, and you get them in black anodized and different colours. This is about £3, nice cheap little case. It also comes with a little, you can get add-on mounting flanges. The nice thing about these is that the front panels are flat, so you're not trying to drill holes in a sort of case that's got weird bends in it, so it's a nice flat panel. But even with that, if you want to get a metal panel made up with drilling and printing, unless you've got CNC machine and silkscreen and everything, it's actually quite expensive. So I thought, well, the thing's got a PCB in it, the PCB's already got custom drilling, custom printing, so for basically zero additional tooling cost, make the front panel on the PCB. So we've got a nice, I did it in black because that looks nicer than green, got all the custom shaped holes, plus of course silkscreen printing, which is a nice hard wearing, robust silkscreen print. So what we end up with is a nice professional looking box, zero tooling cost for the panel, maybe perhaps another 2 or 3 quid on the PCB cost for that. Job done. One thing you do need to be careful of is when they actually cut rectangular holes for PCBs, they tend to use a 2mm diameter router. So you can see here you actually have to overcut the holes. So there I've actually cut it a little bit extra to produce a square cutout for the connector. I did actually spec them to use a 1mm router to make the holes look a bit less obvious, but they used the 2mm. But it still looks, because it's black, you don't really see the holes. And of course another nice thing is if you want to, you can incorporate shielding. So there's no resist on the back, so that will actually make contact with the metal of the casing, so you end up with reasonably good shielding. And of course if you wanted to, you could actually put, say, switches and LEDs on the back of here. If you can get through PCB LEDs and switches and so on. One little detail on the edge of here, you can actually, obviously the edge of the PCB is visible. Now compared to the black, it looks a little bit sort of grey and not particularly brilliant, especially if you have to file out the breakout tabs. But quick simple solution to that, black marker pen around the edge, job done, nice black edge.